मुश्किल सिर्फ बेहतरीन लोगों के हिस्से में ही क्यों आती हैं? क्योंकि वही लोग बेहतरीन तरीके से बेहतरीन अंजाम देना जानते हैं। नमस्ते, मेरा नाम है इंसिया और लेकर आई हूँ वर्ल्ड टेस्ट चैम्पियनशिप 2021 की फिनाले टैरो प्रेडिक्शंस और टीम्स रहेंगे टीम इंडिया वर्सेस टीम न्यूजीलैंड। टीम इंडिया का सफ़र जैसे आप सब ने देखा है बहुत मुश्किल का सामना करते हुए फिनाले में पहुँचे हैं। दिस गिव्स अस अ रिन्यूड होप कि जी हाँ, कभी हार नहीं माननी चाहिए। ऑलवेज स्टे फोकस्ड, स्टे डिटरमिन्ड, स्टे कॉन्फिडेंट, स्टे हैप्पी एंड जी हाँ, योर गोल इज़ नॉट वेरी फार। न्यूजीलैंड का सफ़र भी बहुत आसान तो नहीं, डिफ़िकल्ट रहा है, बट दे हैव ऑल्सो रीच द फिनाले विथ टीम इंडिया। साउथहैम्पटन में खेली जाएगी ये जून 18 को, तो देखते हैं क्या होता है। तो द रेड बॉल टेस्ट सीरीज, लेट्स सी व्हाट्स इन स्टोर फॉर let's see what's in store as per the tarot. पहले कौन जाएगा बैटिंग के लिए? Who is going to take batting first? Is it going to be Team India who will go for the batting first? Team India will go for batting first and bowling legi New Zealand. देखते हैं हम कि कैसे जाएगी मैच एंड हाउ इज द टीम गोइंग टू प्ले. How is the match going to? What is in store for the Indian team, Team India, on the 18th of June, the 3D sequence? On the 18th of June, what's in store for Team India? Tara, please guide us. How is Team India going to play the match for the World Test Championship 2021? Team India. Team India अपना बहुत ही अच्छा खेलेगी. द एनर्जी ऑफ द प्रेजेंट मोमेंट इज़ शायद थोड़ी बहुत और बैलेंस, थोड़ी बहुत जो शुरुआत के ओवर्स हैं 14-15 ओवर, दे विल नॉट शो their talent, they will not be able to really play their game, but ये जो पहले ओवर्स के बाद है they are going to do fabulous. Their lucky number is going to be 6 on that day. उनके जो actual energy of the present moment, the opportunities and the challenges रहेगा कि शायद एक उनके खास प्लेयर के आउट होने की वजह से थोड़ी बहुत टीम हिल जा सकेगी. But nevertheless, we've got super बैट्समैन इन द होल टीम. तो इससे इस इनिंग में कुछ नॉट टू लूज होप, नॉट टू लूज द फोकस, बट द अदर प्लेयर्स कैन डू सुपरबली वेल. ये कहता है टैरो. फर्स्ट इनिंग टारगेट क्या रहेगा? हाउ मेनी रन्स फर्स्ट इनिंग टारगेट बी? टैरो, प्लीज गाइड अस. फर्स्ट इनिंग टारगेट looks like it can go to 350 around, जो पहली इनिंग्स की टारगेट है. और शायद 7 विकेट गिर सकते हैं भारत के। वी गो टू, एक सवाल सबके मन में है कि जब रोहित शर्मा आएंगे और ट्रेंट बोल तो पक्का ही इज गोइंग टू नॉट मिस द bowling for Rohit Sharma. What is going to happen? Let's check. Rohit Sharma or Trent Bolt. Is Rohit Sharma, how many runs will Rohit Sharma be able to make for the first innings of the World Test Championship? How many runs will Rohit Sharma be able to make? He could go to 70, and yes, he has to dodge Trent Bolt. So will he be successful? I think he should be successful because 70 का टारगेट है रोहित शर्मा का. तो is Trent Bolt be able to take Rohit Sharma's wicket in the first inning? See, the third over and the 8th over are both going to be very dangerous for Rohit Sharma. तो नंबर 8 बहुत ही डेंजरस है, उनके लिए अच्छा नहीं है. तो शायद 8 ओवर 8 रन्स, 17 रन्स और 80 रन्स, ये तीनों पॉइंट्स पे रुकावट आ सकती है फॉर रोहित शर्मा. I wish he's hearing this and he should be very careful during that time. So is Rohit Sharma going to be able to give a very good start to India? Is Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill. First inning, how is Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill's start going to be? Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill's beginning for the match in the first innings, yeah? How is it going to be? In the first innings, I'll just check again. In the first innings, how is Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill's, how is Shubman Gill and Rohit Sharma going to give the first batting innings? Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill. Kariban, they should take Team India to 80. This is their beginning score. यानी कि जब अगर 80 runs बन गए उनके, तो they will be cleared of that little hurdles that I have told you about. But यहाँ पे एक जन की विकेट जा सकती है, शायद शुभमन गिल की विकेट गिर सकती है, और unfortunately that partnership will break in the first inning. Let's see about the second inning. Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill in the second inning. How are they going to play? Rohit Sharma and Shubman Gill in the second inning. The second inning looks more promising for the opening duo. So, agar if they need to just do some no, the second innings looks more promising for this duo. Now let us just see one more thing कि बुमराह ज़्यादा wickets लेंगे या शमी? Will Bumrah take more wickets in the World Test Championship? finale against New Zealand. Will Bumrah take more wickets than Shami? Or will Shami take more wickets? Shami is going to take more wickets than Bumrah in this. So I think if you would like to create your Dream 11 team, Shami, yes. Rohit Sharma in your Dream 11 team. Rohit Sharma, yes. Virat Kohli, yes. Vridhiman Saha in your Dream 11 team. Vridhiman Saha also. Ashwin and from the Indian team, I think Jadeja, let me check, will Jadeja be taken in the... you should add Jadeja too. Jadeja kitne wickets lege? Let's see. Will Jadeja do a better batting? He'll be superb with his batting also and with the fielding too. अब देखते हैं न्यूजीलैंड की टीम के बारे में. न्यूजीलैंड की टीम के केन विलियमसन, हाउ इज देयर टीम गोइंग टू प्ले? In the first innings, Kane Williamson's team, New Zealand team. The first innings is going to be positive for the New Zealand team. ये कहता है Taro. So probably they will reach the 380, 390 runs जो बनाने हैं. This is what I feel with my Taro analysis. I am not too much of a test series person. I am more of a T20, T10 person. तो कुछ भी analysis में थोड़े बहुत इधर predictions और analysis है. So please excuse me. I mean, as you all know, this generation, we are all for the T20s and the T10s. Test series, test matches बहुत कम देखने को भी मिलते हैं और Taro predictions, I think this is my first time that I'm doing a prediction for a test match. So please excuse me. Anyway, so the first inning goes to New Zealand. Second inning के बारे में बात करते हैं कि second inning, will it be India's win? Will the second innings of the WTC final be for India? Second inning. Not so positive. New Zealand के लिए देख लेते हैं कि New Zealand, will the second innings be won by New Zealand? I wish I could have cheered. I wish I could have said yes, it goes to India. But alas, the Taro has something else to say. फिर भी मैं एक बार देख लेती हूँ. दोनों innings जा रहे हैं New Zealand को. Let me just check and tell you one minute, please. Will India win the World Test Series 2021? Will India win the World Test Championship 2021 final? Or will New Zealand win the championship? New Zealand. This is for New Zealand, which says the 10 of cups, which says ki yes, all their 10 players are going to do superb and they take the trophy. And for India, it's come the renewal card, which says it's going to be number 2nd. So see this? This is for the New Zealand, for Team India, it's going to be number 2. The first winners will be the New Zealand. Alas, this is as per my Taro predictions. I wish I could have said something different, but nevertheless, we tried, we won, and we've come to the finale. That's an amazing thing as per me. But anyways, ये Taro indication है. Let's wait and watch on the June 18th क्या होता है मैच में. आप देख रहे हैं मेरी YouTube चैनल Taro Insia. Please do subscribe, share, like और जी हाँ, please excuse the little glitches क्योंकि मैं टेस्ट सीरीज, टेस्ट मैचेस पर्सन नहीं हूँ, मैं T20 पर्सन हूँ. तो probably my predictions, my understanding of the T20s comes more easier than the test series, test matches. Thank you so much for watching.